This video is about the product Tesla Solar, which was originally unveiled by the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, back in 2016. Elon Musk said that the Tesla company has made major mistakes in calculating the cost of solar, which lead to massive price hikes. The Tesla vehicle company has also launched a solar roof project in the year 2016. Musk has predicted that after 3 years, 2019 would be the year of solar roofs. But nowadays this project isn't quite successful due to some mistakes which the company has underestimated during the installation process of the tiles. Tesla didn't disclose details about the installation of solar roofs, like how rapidly their percentage is increasing. For instance, the first 3 months' percentage result is about 9 times greater than they were in the first quarter of previous years. This result shows an impressive increase in the percentage of the installation. This project was quite successful in the beginning and became the attention of many customers. Later, the solar roof price has raised to 70%, which is disappointing many customers not to buy these panels. Elon Musk has admitted that they had made mistakes in this project, such as delays or the high cost of solar roof installation. Musk has further explained the reason why the price of the roof has risen so high. It is due to the complexity or the size of the roof on which solar has to be installed. He further said that there has been a mistake while assessing the complexity of the roof, so they decided to sell their solar products to those customers who will take their Powerwall storage battery along with it. This makes the installation process less complex because the power of the solar roof, solar glass, or solar panels will go directly to Tesla Powerwall. This means that the power will remain between the utility and main power panel, and the circuit breakers of the house will remain untouched. The technology is also known as solar fabric, and it is a combination of separated tiles along with built-in solar panels, which transfer energy to Tesla Powerwall batteries. This supplies voltage current to the transformer, which in turn converts it to alternating current. Clean Energy News, Canary Media, shows the estimated installation done by Tesla Solar Roof is about 1,000. It is a very low rate that Musk has to boost the production of solar roofs at the Buffalo plant, but due to COVID issues, this didn't exceed 1,000 installations per week. Tesla has shifted to electronic assembling at the Buffalo factory and promotes many job opportunities for school-level data specialist jobs. The installation of solar tiles is complicated at any regular square roof, which requires extra circuitry installation and extra engineering for the roof to be fit for solar roof installation. It requires lots of time and effort if the roof has nooks and crannies. The complexity also lies in different roof sizes, which can be easier for one size roof or may be difficult for another size. So according to Musk, this variation doesn't fit for one-size solar roofs. Even a roof that is rotted or has many protuberances can cost double or maybe 3 times the initial price. In such cases, the customer gets a refund for their deposits. The solar company is struggling to meet the demands of the growing customers. They need to make an effort in increasing the distribution of solar roofs, and customer complaints must be fulfilled timely. Despite having a lack of progress on this project, Musk has fired many executives and directors from this project, which has affected this program in many ways. He also improves the amount of time taken by workers for the installation of these roofs. The process of installation is quite straightforward. The materials used in it arrive at the job site and a group of small crew-fitted asphalt shingles using nail gum. If these shingles are used around chimneys or vents, then the workers must cut those tiles according to the size which fits those areas. This might not be an easy job to do because these glass tiles are not very easy to cut down. So the company has made different sizes of tiles for different areas, which is a difficult task, but it is a must. In this way, the solar roof is not quite an easy task to be done. This product can be quite an expensive one, as one can think of. According to the stats, Tesla company reported $494 million in sales in energy generation and storage products in the first quarter. But the overall division was still not profitable as Tesla decided to refund the customers' deposits if they are not willing to pay the high price for the solar roof. Tesla's solar roof was unveiled nearly 5 years ago. Musk revealed the Tesla solar roof back in 2016 at the time when he was trying to acquire Solar City, which was also a solar energy company. Musk was also acting as a chairman of SolarCity Energy Company at that time. While answering the question asked by CEO Elon Musk about why the Tesla company has raised the prices of its Tesla solar roof by almost 70% for the customers who were waiting for solar roof installation, Elon Musk said that we know some of the major mistakes were made by us while we were assessing the difficulty of some Tesla solar roofs. He further added that the complexity of roofs was increasing dramatically. During the company's first quarter earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that some of the Tesla solar roofs were not as complicated to make as the other roofs. These roofs do not need to fit one size in any situation. If a roof has a lot of issues like sticking out mostly, or if the core structure of the roof of the house is rotted out or is not strong enough to hold the solar roof, then the cost on it could be double, maybe 3 times than our previous quotes were, he added. As previously reported by The Verge, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that the customers who were not happy with the new quote of Tesla Solar could get their deposits refunded. Musk said that other than the price hikes, the demand for the Tesla solar roof remained strong. However, he did not confirm whether it was from new customers or from the existing customers who agreed on the increased price and were waiting for the installation of a solar roof. Moving on, Elon Musk also appreciated the decision of Tesla company, which was to sell its solar products together with its Powerwall storage battery. Tesla company believed the storage battery would make the installation process less complex. Musk said, "This is going to make the process much easier because the power generated from the solar glass roof, or the solar panel will directly be transmitted into the Powerwall, and the Powerwall will only go between the utility and the main power of the house. This means that there would be no need to touch the main circuit breakers of the house. The process of installing a solar roof is straightforward. Materials have arrived at the worksite, and a small group of workers installs the asphalt solar shingles with a nail gun. When a shingle fits around the chimneys or vents, the crew members cut them to size on-site. But the tempered glass used in Tesla's solar roof cannot easily be cut in the field. The Tesla company tried to make specialty parts before the time, but that adds more inventory to the track." According to the CEO of Good Faith Energy, Mohammed Abdallah, he said that the solar roof is not a cheap product. It is not easily installed. It is going to take a lot of time to adjust and bring the cost down. The Tesla solar roof replacing the regular roof shingles with photovoltaic tiles are capturing more of the sun's energy comparatively than the traditional solar panels. Moving forward, Musk says that he will expand the installation of the Tesla solar roof this year, and he talked up about his recent decision to make more bundles of Tesla's power storage batteries, along with its solar roof products. He says that this would be the long-term solution for sustainable energy in the future. Do like and share the video with your friends and family. So what do you think? What other steps will be taken by Elon Musk to improve the mistakes made in Tesla's solar roof? Is Tesla's solar roof more durable than the other ordinary solar panels used in houses? Do share your precious thoughts in the comment section below.